Hello students, in this video we take here one question. A vessel in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the capacity of the vessel. That means that vessel bottom have in the shape of a hemisphere and top in the cylindrical form like this. Bottom is in the shape of hemisphere and top is in the shape of a cylinder. This vessel like this, since diameter of the hemispherical part, that means diameter of this means d equal to 14 centimeter, while total height means this side is equal to 13 centimeter. Now suppose this is the top level of this hemispherical part, so this is the also radius, and radius of this hemispherical portion is 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So height of this cylindrical portion will be 13 minus 7, that means 6 centimeter, and this is equal to h. R equal to 7. 7 centimeter is the radius of cylinder and hemisphere both. Now in the question asked that find the capacity of the vessel. Then what is the capacity of this vessel? Since capacity of this vessel is equal to capacity of this hemispherical portion plus capacity of this cylindrical portion. Now we write here solution. Since R equal to means radius of hemispherical base equal to radius of cylindrical part is equal to 7 centimeter. Since height of cylindrical part is equal to total 7 centimeter minus total height of the vessel, that means 13 minus 7, this will be equal to 6 centimeter. Now we will find the whole volume of this vessel together, and we can write this. Therefore volume of vessel is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Since formula of volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder, this is pi r square h. Here pi r square is common, then this will be 2 upon 3 r plus h only. Transfer the value of pi 22 upon 7 into r is 7 square of 7 into 2 upon 3 into 7 plus h equal to 6. This 7 and 1 power of 7 will be cancelled. This will be 154, that means 22 into 7 into this will be 14 plus 18 whole upon 3, take the LCM. Now this will be 154 into this will be 18 plus 14, this will be 28 plus 4, 32 whole upon 3 centimeter cube. Multiply this will be 8, 15 to the 30 and 3 4 the 12, 45 plus 1 46. This is equal to 8294 whole upon 3. This is the cancel or not? 1 6 no. this centimeter cube. That means this will be volume of this vessel. This is the answer. Now, in the next video, we will take another numerical.